Okay, guys, so I am preparing for some technical interviews and was wanting to brush up on my database knowledge about particularly looking at indexes. So I'm just reading this it's comparing an index with a database index with an index in books. Um, so you have, so I wanted to practice explaining it to make sure I understand it. So okay, so normally in the database you'll have IDs and then you have rows with information, let's say about cars, and then each row has an ID which talks about a car. Now let's say you want to index on the let's say you want to index on the model of the car, or let's say you want to index on the car name. You would then alphabetize all the models and then put the number for that index, or put the ID for that car that has that model next to it. So you say Toyota and then ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and those are all the Toyota cars. And then, Honda would be 5, 8, 9, and it needs to be in order. So Honda first and then Toyota. So here is also describing the index is nothing but a data structure that stores the values for a specific column in a table. Stores the values for a specific column in a table. Index is created on a column of a table. So like I was saying before, okay, so you have a user and you have name, age, and address. Assume the user table has thousands of rows. Now let's say you want to query to find all the details of a user with the name John. Every single row to see if the name John was taken on it. So we index helps. And those are stored in a data structure. So now the database needs to find employees named John because the index would be sorted alphabetically by the user's name. Because it's sorted means searching for a name faster, because all names starting with a J will be right next to each other in the index. All right, so yeah, it's just a way to group data on a column, sounds like. Stores values for a specific column. Okay, or it could be multiple columns.